All right, guys, so this video is going to be about carts and what you can do with them and how. So here is the main page of Pillar9. I know my carts are right here, and they're all labeled with areas, names, whatever it is that I feel like. You can click all carts down here to go to a bigger list of the ones that don't just show up right there. So how do we do a cart? The whole point is just to find the homes that your client is interested in. Let's say there's 6 that they would really like to go see, and those are the 6 you need to call the agents or you need to book a showing on or anything like that. Then you will put it in there. So let's say your clients are looking for detached in Okotoks. That's between $450 to $500. Let's say there's 5 total bedrooms. 4. Okay, so there's 8 matches. We're going to go to results. Here's our 8 matches. We're going to highlight them all, and then we're going to go to carts down here, and we're going to make a new cart, and we're going to call this detached Okotoks. You can make it your client's name, you can make it an area, and then add them as a contact in the name, whatever it is you want. So I'm going to click save. I'm going to go back to my home page, and now my cart is here, detached Okotoks. So when I click on that cart, only those ones that I have put in there will show up. Let's say my clients decided they do not like Sunset Crescent, so we can take that out. That is a definite no. You just go here and you go to remove checked, and it's gone. Now we have these 7 to call. Now let's say they're certain that they want to go do a showing tour with these 7. So you'll highlight all again right here, and then you'll go to actions, and at the bottom here you can go to showing time. And this will launch you into showing time, and then you will add to showing cart.